Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2019 69 plate Land Rover Discovery. Now this is the HSE model, so you get loads of specification on these cars, and this one has some fantastic factory options on top of that. In my opinion, one of the best colour combinations for these vehicles. We've got the lovely Corris grey metallic paintwork, which just looks fantastic on these cars, and then inside we've got a lovely linen light interior. Lovely combination. But what we'll do is we'll walk around the car, I'll show you through the specifications. So we've got front and rear parking sensors, we get reversing camera on this one as well, LED daytime running lights with the headlamp wash. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 21-inch multi-spoke alloys, also with the Corris grey detailing in the centres, lovely diamond turned outer edge. We've got lots of darker detailing, so you've got privacy glass, you've got gloss black detailing on the window surrounds, we've got these lovely side steps as well, Discovery original side steps. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. All the bodywork is in very nice order. Coming through to the back then, rear plinth, that's all in good condition. We've got the reversing camera there, HSE SD6 badging, electric tailgate, so press of a button and that elegantly glides up like so. Obviously here then you've got seating for 7 in these vehicles. You've got all the seat configurations in the middle there, so if you wanted to, you could easily drop a seat down. So that's all electrically operated. So just to give you an idea of boot space in the rear, you have got quite a bit of space with the seats down, and then obviously with the seats up you've still got a bit of space there. You can definitely get your weekly shopping in there. Closing the boot up, looking down the passenger side, that's all in nice order as well. No signs of any sort of dents. Coming through to the interior then, as I mentioned, a lovely light linen leather. So this is a part perforated leather, so allows the seat to breathe. Fully electric, so you can fully adjust it to exactly how you want it. We've got individual armrests for driver and front passenger. We've got the lovely contrast of the gloss black detailing down the centre console. We've got the darker leather steering wheel and the centre armrest, and the darker lower environment as well. So we've got this lovely sort of strip of linen that goes all the way throughout the cabin, following through to the rear of the car. Seats are all in superb order. You can tell they've truly been cherished by the previous owners. We've even got Land Rover original rubber floor mats, so these are the all-weather mats. Quite an expensive thing to put in your car as well. We've got heated rear seats. We've got USB ports in the back, so ideal for phone charging. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. We've got a panoramic glass roof on this, so this is a factory option. You don't normally get these on these vehicles. Coming through to the centre there again, looks superb. So we'll jump in the driver's seat. We've got rubber floor mats for the front as well. So once you're inside, we've got park folding mirrors with your auto dimming there as well. Full Meridian Surround Sound System. We've got freeway memory sport seats for driver. We've got a lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with your limiter, your lane departure warning, all your volume and media controls, Bluetooth phone, voice command. Automatic lights and wipers are then found on the stalks behind those. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 44,088 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got the full digital cockpit, so a fantastic thing to have. You can fully adjust the displays to exactly how you want it. So if you want to see the full map as you're driving along, you can do. If you want to see your media, you can do. If you just want one dial in the centre, you can do it that way so it shows the sat-nav to one side, or if you want both dials there, you can also do it that way. Loads and loads of configuration display. Other features on this is your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, driver assistance. That's all up on there as well. Now on the centre screen you've got all the shortcut buttons for your media. So we've got satellite navigation there. We've got our multimedia. Obviously full DAB radio, so you've got all the extended channels. Bluetooth phone. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reversing camera, web browser. That's all found on there. Now on this vehicle you've also got self-parking, so you've got searching for parking spots, obviously exit a parking spot, that's all on there. Dual zone climate control with air conditioning, heated front screen, obviously heated front seats for the front as well. You've got this opening little pouch here so you can hide your goods. Central cup holders, your full drive select is there. Hill descent, obviously full air suspension so you can raise it, lower it, do exactly what you like. Loads of storage space in the centre armrest. You've got 2 USB ports and a micro SIM card input. But a lovely vehicle, fantastic combination. You can tell it's been very well cared for by the previous owners. You've got loads of storage space in these vehicles. You've got nice added features like the full panoramic roof. Now this is a fully opening one as well, so you can slide it all the way back. You've got all the rear blinds, so you've got a blind for the front one, and then you've also got a separate sort of Pan-Am roof in the back, which you can open and close as well. But thank you for watching. If you like any more info, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.